Welcome back to our channel. Today guys, we will make a dynamite. Boom! But don't worry guys, it's not explosive and it's also not illegal, but it's only a little spicy. Dynamite guys is a typical Pinoy street food. It's a little bit spicy but it's very yummy. So this is our ingredients. Long green chili. I don't know what is exactly the word in English guys. I only call this long chili, or in Tagalog it's siling pangsigang. And then I will use chicken ham. Some people guys, they use ground beef for this recipe, but for me I will use only this sliced chicken ham. And then cheese. I will use our Filipino cheese. And then spring rolls wrapper, and also oil guys for frying later. And now we will prepare our dynamite guys. First I will open on the side the chili, and then I will put out the seeds inside. And now we will start to wrap our chili with our spring roll wrapper. And I will use 1 egg. So we will lay down our spring roll wrapper, and then we will take 1 chili. And then I will fill with ham and cheese. And then I put 2 slices of this ham, the stripe slice, and then I will put also cheese, 2 pieces. So this is now guys, and then we will roll in the wrapper. We will put in the center, and then we will make sure that this will be out, and then we will wrap like this. Here is our dynamite. We will fry now. So, our dynamite is finished. We will try guys. We will see if it will not explode. Joke lang. And then we will dip this in a sweet chili sauce. It's yummy guys. You can feel the spice inside but not really painful in the tongue. Yummy. You can feel the cheese and the ham inside. So, that's all guys. See you in the next vlog.